Good morning, guys. We are now in my bathroom. I thought I would show you my morning beauty routine. My morning beauty routine concentrates around vitamin C, but as you will find out shortly, not only. I always start my day from washing my face. This is literally the very first thing that I do. I'm not particularly fussy about the wash that I use, but at present I am using the Microdelivery Exfoliating Facial Wash by Philosophy. I really like this wash. You don't need much. It's a big bottle. It has exfoliating particles, which just make it this much nicer to use in the morning. I know that some people don't wash their face in the morning. However, I have once forgotten to wash my face, and then I just proceeded to apply in my normal morning beauty products, and I could tell there was something not quite right. I wash my face primarily because there's normally still some residue of the products that I used the night before on my face, so I need to get rid of them and then have a fresh clean face so I can apply new products on it before I apply makeup. As I said before, I really don't need much. This is about the amount that I use in the morning just to gently cleanse my face. Towel dry my face. After my face is clean, I use this Trilogy spray. This is the Vitamin C Energizing Mist Toner. As I said before, my morning routine concentrates on vitamin C. Immediately after, I follow with tretinoin. Now, tretinoin is supposed to be used only in the evening. However, because I have built up tolerance to this particular ingredient, I can actually use it morning and night. And I've known some people who I can tell have fabulous skin, even though they are about twice my age. Use tretinoin morning and evening. I don't always do this step because it can become a little bit irritating if you continuously apply tretinoin morning and night. But at the moment my skin is fine, so I'm gonna apply some tretinoin to my skin. This is a prescription tretinoin, and in this little tube, this is from Dermatica, which is like an online prescription service. There is tretinoin, 0.1% niacinamide and azelaic acid in this tube. You don't need very much, but I'm usually fairly generous with this particular product. I've heard many times that if you apply products onto a damp skin, then they absorb better. They basically sink in deeper into your skin. That's why I usually have a mist, and then once I've sprayed my face, I follow up with my other products. I apply tretinoin to my under eye, well, around eye area as well, because this is where I tend to have the most issues with my skin. I already have some, fine lines, wrinkles. This is, I think, genetics, but also it's just how my face is built, that when I smile, this is where my skin creases, basically in my under eye area. I will now follow up with more vitamin C products. This is Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. You can mix this product with your other beauty products, but I just use it on its own. So I literally have a tiny drop and apply it on my face. Literally just like that. It's not gonna focus, but that's okay. And as always, my under eye area. The next product that I use is by Kiehl. This is the Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. There really aren't very many under eye serums with vitamin C, so there's not very many options. This serum is definitely not ideal, it's actually quite thick. However, the first ingredient on the ingredients list is ascorbic acid, and that's why I keep repurchasing this product. So that's about the amount that I dispense and just put it under my eye. I will now follow up with the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum. This is again with 15% L-ascorbic acid. This is so far my favorite Drunk Elephant product. I am pretty shocked with how long it has lasted. It is nearly empty now, but I've had it for a really long time. I think that I've probably started using it at the beginning of the year, so even though it is quite expensive, it's still pretty good value for money. Again, I don't use much. This is about the amount that I dispense and put on my face. The next product is an under eye cream, and this is Natura Bisse C+C Vitamin I. This is a very expensive product. However, I have actually learned that it lasts ages. You really need very little of it. This is again a vitamin C eye cream. This is literally how much I need to put under one of my eyes. The next product is a vitamin C face cream. I'm not entirely sure about the brand. I kind of purchased it on a whim. But it says 18 Actives Anti-Aging Vitamin C Wrinkle Defense. This cream feels a little bit tacky when you apply it, but actually it's absolutely fine afterwards. I've never had any issues with applying makeup on top of it. The next product I'll be using is by The Ordinary, and this is their Squalane 100% plant-derived Squalane. Again, literally just one drop, and that's plenty. And the last product that I'll be applying on my face is the Cover FX sunscreen. This is Cover FX Clear Cover Invisible Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This is a very silicone-y sunscreen, so you have to be careful with how much you apply. You're supposed to actually apply a lot of sunscreen to your face, but this just isn't going to work with this particular product. It's a completely clear product, as you can see, you can't see anything. And this is it, guys. These are all the products that I use pretty much every single day in the morning before I apply makeup. It might seem like it's a lot, but every single product has its purpose, and the combo seems to be working really well for my skin. By no means am I saying that this is the ultimate skincare. This is just something that works for me, something that I have developed over the years. So if your skin routine is different, this is absolutely fine. You do what works for you. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please make sure to give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. I will be following up shortly with my evening skincare routine. So stay tuned for that, and I do hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.